Hey friends, it's Cal. This is our 30-foot school bus we just spent this past year building out to be our dream home on wheels. However, now we're taking you on a drive all the way across the country and back. So let's roll. Now is the perfect time, by the way, to hit that subscribe button. That way you know you're along for the ride. There are still plenty of miles to cover. Okay, long story short, we had a rocky start to our trip.
Proceeded to back up over the Civic.
However, we then very quickly made our way over to Georgia, picked up 2 new kittens along the way.
What's that?
Puddles and Moose, and then became a family of 6. Then headed back up through Tennessee, where we learned what a Buc-ee's was. I will be back. And then,
what state are we in?
We spent some time out in Kentucky.
Kentucky? I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky, exploring some caves together.
We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
Which was easily one of my favorite stops of the trip so far.
I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did, and I just had the best day ever.
Some more driving got us over to Illinois.
What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois.
But that very quickly turned into us driving over to Missouri to check out the Gateway Arch over in St. Louis.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. Gateway Arch.
Did you know you could go up it?
You can go up it? Fun fact. No. I think you can like literally go inside the thing. And little thing. There's a thing on the thing. Like, literally go inside the thing.
Why did inside of it?
I didn't. Maybe next time.
No. No, thank you.
No. All right, get this. To head west, we went north over to South Dakota. We spent some time with some bison.
Oh, I got him shitting. Dude, I just got a video of a bison taking us.
And oh my gosh, South Dakota is beautiful. And exploring probably one of my new favorite spots. It was absolutely beautiful. There's a ton of videos from our time there. You should go check them out. Night fever, night fever. The most beautiful drive through South Dakota. Puddles. Puddles. The prettiest drive through South Dakota has landed us here in Wyoming. And now that we're here in Alrighty, and I guess while we're in Wyoming, there's only one thing left to do, and that is explore it together. That's kind of the whole point. There's gonna be quite a few stops, quite a few laughs, and you're gonna want to buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Also, real quick, this is one of my favorite vlogs so far. So I really hope you enjoy the ride. This is kind of the first video Blake and I really get into the swing of the whole vlogging thing. There's a lot of talking to you. There's a lot of updates. There's a lot of laughs. It's a good one, I promise. So enjoy. I will talk to you guys in a minute. Bye.
That was crazy. I got that on video. Whoa. Whoa, my goodness. Whoa. If at any point you see what I'm wearing, no you don't. Good morning. I don't even know what day it is. I know we are in Wyoming for a fact. I have no clue where in Wyoming. I think we are headed to Yellowstone today. I'm not sure, but that would be really cool. That's kind of always been just like top of the list. Wanted to see, wanted to go, wanted to visit, wanted to explore. So we're super excited. Blake is currently taking trash out. We're getting the bus ready for a nice little drive, and we're gonna spend Blake's lunch driving. You make me feel like dancing. I wanna dance the night away. You make me feel like dancing. Wanna dance the night away. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Woo! Sing, sing, sing. Dizzy.
What?
You make me feel like dancing. Ow. Ow. Ka-chow. I don't know if I mentioned it, but we're also totally hanging out at Walmart today. Surrounded by a bunch of other RVs and campers. It's super fun. I honestly really love the days where we get to just kind of park, work, and the world gets to like continue around us. And we don't have to leave our home, but if we need to, we can. And we're right there. Blake's back. Whoa! Power slide.
Can I have a...
Yeah! You helped me put a band-aid on my boo-boo. Boom. Yeah, are those my band-aids? For my non-existent boo-boos? Puddles, move! It's time to go for a drive. It's time to eat and go for a drive. Puddles wants her dinner. Where are we headed?
We are headed to the library.
Woohoo! Zephyr, are you excited?
The boot shop, and then there's the hat shop.
What did the library say when you called earlier?
Yeah, they said they could park at the rec center at the library just because the parking's a little bit easier over there. But they're like, thank you so much for calling and asking. That's so sweet. Yeah.
Hey, so thank you guys so much for continuing to come back each and every week to support this journey. I seriously would not be doing this without you. This is a little dream of mine come true, and it is so cool having the opportunity to share our adventures with you. Seriously, it means the world to me. Real quick, while I have you guys here, there's a few things you could do for me that would really help me out. I would love it if you could like this video and maybe leave me a little comment or two down below letting me know how you're enjoying the journey so far. Is there anywhere you think we should stop along the way? Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're ready for the next adventure and it helps me out too. I'm back every Sunday with a new video, a new adventure, and stay tuned because there's even more coming your way in the near future. Alrighty, it is time to do the thing. I will see you guys down the road. Hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing. Night fever, night fever. Oh, I got him shitting.